All right, here, let's start with the proof of 8. We're proving parallel lines. We are given that A is parallel to B. Let's start with that given. And measurement of angle 5 plus measurement of angle 2 equals to 180. Let's also give you that. I like to separate it, okay? All right. The fact that we have the measurements here, maybe we want to work with some angle measurements, okay? We have A and B being parallel, so I can use anything that I want. Well, notice that in the end, I want L is parallel to M. So I have to somehow get things like 1 and 3 being corresponding by using the converse of corresponding. I can get 1 and 4 being congruent, so I can use converse of alternate interior, or I can say 1 and 2 are supplementary, and I can use converse of consecutive interiors, right? My approach here is, because I see the 180, I'm going to use the converse of consecutive interiors, right? So here I will start by getting a relationship between 1 and 5. So I can say angle measure the angle 1 is congruent to angle 5, and that is because of corresponding. I know that because A is parallel to B. I don't like just the shape. I rather have the measurement. So I have to bring it back. I have to bring it to algebra by using the definition of the congruent angles. Now I can have the m's in front. Notice angle 1 here is congruent. The measurement of angle 1 is equal. This should be equal to that. Okay. Okay. Right. Again, ignore the squiggly line here. Okay. That allows me to make that substitution. Then from the substitution, I can see that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. That is just using the definition of supplementary. And since they are supplementary and they're consecutive interior angles, by using the converse, right? If angle 1 and angle 2 are consecutive interior angles and are supplementary, then the lines are parallel, okay? That is the full proof, okay? And remember, there's no squiggly line when it's the measurement, okay? That would be the full proof. This is using the consecutive, the converse of consecutive interior angles. Let me repeat from the start. You can use other ones depending on how you approach them.